Hey everyone, we are here at BSC Expo here in London in Battersea Park. It's February 2026 and we're here to find out what has got everybody excited this year. Hey, so I'm Jon Fry and I'm here with Jon Fry from CVP, and we've just who knew? So we've just wanted to hear what's been getting everyone excited this year. What's the vibe at BSC Expo?
I'm not talking about kit as much as there is, I'm sure, an amazing amount of kit here. The thing that excites me about this year is really just the way that everybody feels a lot more positive. You can stand here, and I've stood here for the last couple of years, and you talk to people and you're going, look, how's things going? Yeah. And the truth is, it's been difficult. And a lot of the time people are like, I'm getting through, it's really hard, there's not much work out there, we're just going to get through this. This year, I'm talking to people and they're going, do you know what? It's been really interesting. January was good, February maybe looking a little bit flat, but then actually I'm booked up from March until August, and I love that because that really gives
range of people.
Yeah. I mean, look, at the end of the day, this is still very much a high-end content film and TV show, but it's all now about kind of how content is being distributed, what technology people are going to use to move forward. People are coming to talk to us not just about their next 10-part episodic drama. We're talking about podcasting, streaming, video content creator.
Standards are getting higher,
absolutely.
So we need to step up to it, and there's work there for us. That's what you're saying.
I think there's tons and tons of work out there, and actually the truth is, I think what we're talking about doing isn't creating a different type of content. We're just going to create lots and lots of TV. Yeah. If it's a podcast, a visual podcast, it's actually just a TV show.
Narrowcasting rather than broadcasting, right?
Absolutely right. Yeah. So I mean, look, it's exciting. I think we should all be feeling quite positive about what the next 5 years looks like. Personally, I think it's great.
That's great. Thank you very much, Jon.
Pleasure, Jon.
Cheers.